Hi, if you want to change watch faces on your Huawei Band 9, then you can just press and hold your current watch face and now swipe left or right to see every option from the list. Also, you can notice those settings icon which is for editing the widgets. So here we can switch from this workout widget to the heart rate, for example, and just tap this side button to save the changes. Also, as an additional way, you can press and hold the side button to go in the settings. After that, select the watch face. Select watch face once more, and here you can do just the same thing. So just scroll through the list by swiping left or right, and you will find many styles for your watch face. If those watch faces are not enough for you, you can always go in your Huawei Health app installed on the phone. Here, select your device and go in the tab watch faces and select the more. So here you can see many free and non-free options for your watch face. If you would like to see only free options, you just need to swipe from this top panel and go in the free section. And now you can see many free options, even those winter Christmas inspired ones. So let's select it and tap this button to install. And now it is installing, so we just need to wait a couple of seconds till it will load to 100% and we'll be able to set this cute picture as our current watch face. And here's the changes. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.